Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Have a Honda Accord 2.4. Customer could not get their vehicle started. They replaced their battery, wasted their money, and also they had a negative terminal that was not working. If you have a starter and it's not working and you know the starter is bad, but you need to get home, in this particular case, the starter is in between the intake on this Honda Accord. Anybody knows about 4 cylinders? It's sitting between there. What you want to do is find the starter itself. Do not touch the power of the starter itself because of how skinny this is. I'm just using this, and all I do is just go ahead, man, as I hit the thing and try to start it. This is an emergency way of doing things. Again, do not hit the power of the starter itself or you'll be shocking things. But if you can get your hand on the starter, hit the solenoid with something long and skinny and a hammer, and just tap on it and have somebody start it. If it starts up, you definitely 100% need a starter. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you found any value in this video, please hit the super thanks button. We take the money that you give us and we turn around and help those who are in need and help us, like single moms and people who are struggling. Also, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.